lalabas ang anuhin mo. Lalabas sa bitan mo. Ha?
Diyan ka muna umano. Para may ayos mo naman.
Ay, hindi. Hindi nga sa piyanos.
So, walang upuan. Ano?
Patong mo lang.
Saan ba tayo kakain?
Saan mo tayo kakain? Dito.
Mesa tayo dito. Wala tayong ulam, tsaka ano.
Okay na yan. Ano kakainin mo? Spot. Rodas iPhone. Wala nga eh.
Wala.
Kimchi mo. Sarap kumain. Oh, dyan tayo. Kinakanta. Hay mo na. Yun lang mo. Daddy, yung beef mo frozen pa. Lab na lang muna. Okay. Yeah, super. Name it, how many you want?
Ito yung mini camping namin ng mami. Ayan, nagkaluto na siya ng lamb at shrimp at fried rice. Eminem music. That's it. And look, what do we have here? Our tent. It's on top. Hello, say hello to mommy.
Hello.
Hey, say, it's a birthday girl.
A birthday of me, not him.
She's the birthday girl. Portuguese video niya to.
Portuguese video, what's your birthday wish?
Yes.
What's your birthday wish? Ano yes?
Yes, what's your wish?
No,
It's
you,
not me. I'm
what's
not
your-
gonna
Yo,
not
what's
gonna make a
your
wish.
What's your birthday wish for me? That's it.
Ah, you have to make a wish, not me. Okay.
Me, I my wish.
Wish upon the star.
And to be successful in life.
Daughter.
Love them. I love them so much.
Whose daughter? We all have all sons, not daughter.
My sons, my 4 sons, and my 2 daughters-in-law.
Okay, there you go.
Make them to be successful in life. I want to take this opportunity.
Okay, that's it.